Hello my friends, welcome to Bloom Watercolor Club, my floral art community. Inside of Bloom, you're going to find nearly 100 full-length tutorials, as well as an amazing community to share your art with. I designed this to be a space where you can grow in your art skills, get feedback, and build confidence alongside other like-minded creatives. Whether you're completely new to watercolor or you've been painting for a long time, there's a place for you. My goal is to help you create art that feels expressive, beautiful, and full of life and movement, and most of all, true to you. Each month I release 2 new tutorials, and you'll also get instant access to my library of past lessons, so no matter where you are in your journey, there's something for you to dive into right away. When you join, I'll send you an email outlining where to get started, depending on where you are in your creative journey. And if you're just getting started, I also have a 7-day Intro to Watercolor course that will walk you through the basics so you never feel lost or overwhelmed. One of my personal favorite things about Bloom is the supportive community of artists all around the world. There's a place for you to share your art, to get feedback and encouragement, and to connect with other artists. So if you're looking for a new creative outlet, or you're looking for a little bit of guidance to help take your floral art just to the next level, I would love to help you with that, and I would love to invite you to join me inside of Bloom Watercolor Club. I'll see you there.